5 perfect dumbbell exercises to build massive chest at home. Exercise 1. Dumbbell press. The dumbbell press is one of the best exercises for building a stronger, bigger chest. It mainly targets the middle chest, while also working the front shoulders and triceps. This movement helps increase upper body strength, improves muscle balance. Lie flat on a bench or floor with a dumbbell in each hand. Press the weight straight up until your arms are almost fully extended. Then slowly lower them until your elbows are slightly below chest level. Keep your core tight, wrist straight, and control every repetition for the best results. Exercise 2. Dumbbell squeeze press. The squeeze press is an excellent exercise for building a stronger, fuller chest. It mainly targets the inner chest by keeping constant tension on the pectoralis major. Squeezing the dumbbells together throughout the movement increases chest muscle activation and improves your mind-muscle connection. Lie flat on a bench or floor and press 2 dumbbells firmly together at the center of your chest. Push the weight straight up while maintaining the squeeze, then slowly lower them back with control. Keep your core tight and continue pressing the dumbbells together during every repetition for the best results. Exercise 3. Reverse grip dumbbell press. The reverse grip dumbbell press is a great exercise for building a stronger, fuller upper chest. It mainly targets the upper chest of the pectoralis major. The underhand grip can increase upper chest activation and may feel more comfortable on the shoulders for some people. Lie flat on a bench or floor holding a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing your face. Press the dumbbells straight up until your arms are almost fully extended. Then slowly lower them with control until your elbows are slightly below chest level. Keep your wrists straight, core tight, and maintain the reverse grip throughout every repetition. Exercise 4. Pullover. The dumbbell pullover is an excellent exercise for building a stronger, wider chest. It mainly targets the chest, especially the lower chest, while also engaging the latissimus dorsi, lats, serratus anterior, and triceps. This movement helps improve upper body strength, shoulder mobility, and chest expansion. Lie across a floor or flat on a bench holding 1 dumbbell with both hands above your chest. Slowly lower the dumbbell behind your head with a slight bend in your elbows until you feel a stretch. Then pull it back to the starting position with control. Keep your core tight and avoid arching your lower back throughout the movement. Exercise 5. Dumbbell fly. The dumbbell fly is a great isolation exercise for building a wider and more defined chest. It mainly targets the inner chest and middle chest. This movement helps improve chest stretch, muscle activation, and overall definition. Lie flat on a bench or floor holding a dumbbell in each hand above your chest. With a slight bend in your elbows, slowly open your arms wide until you feel a deep stretch in your chest. Then bring the dumbbells back together in a hugging motion. Keep your core tight, move slowly, and avoid using heavy weight to protect your shoulders and maintain perfect form.